Hi, my name is Joseph Kochevar and I'm a manager of company Kochevar DOO. Our company is dedicated to resistance welding and been working in the field of welding since 1969. Designing, manufacturing industrial spot welding, seam welding, projection welding and microspot welding machines. We are a European company with European values and quality. Year 2020 brought many challenges to companies all over the world and demanded they transform their businesses. Offices moved home while production stopped. One of the most important questions still is how to ensure health protection in workplaces and how to optimize production to lower labor costs. Welding stainless steel sinks of all shapes and sizes into worktops to use in gastronomy and medicine is a job that demands at least 2 workers working together on each project. Usually, 3 workers are needed to operate the spot welding machine to put the larger and heavier countertops in and out of the machine, especially since there are no limitations for the counter dimensions. Our design team put their heads together, finding a solution to optimize the zinc welding machine to adapt to COVID-19 situation. Our main goal was to ensure simple operation of the machine and social distancing. Our secondary goal was to optimize the machine and consequently reduce the operating costs. We found several solutions. First of all, we achieved time savings as welding is finished in roughly 2 minutes per every zinc size, although the welding quality remained superb. After welding, tabletop is without any deformation in the sheet metal. The machine does not require any CNC programming because it has automatic guidance according to the shape and size of the zinc. Second, we optimized the operation process of the welded material and designed innovative guiding support levers placed under the countertop for easy handling and to support weight of the larger countertops, so only one qualified worker is needed. The operator of the machine does not need to rotate the countertop or program the machine, since the machine follows the shape of the zinc ball mechanically. Operator places the welded part on the support levers and starts the welding process. This allows the worker to distance from co-workers and to single handle the machine. As a secondary advantage, the cost of the production is significantly lower. Innovative guiding support levers are a solution not only for enabling social distancing and achieving health protection during COVID-19 pandemic, but also for optimizing labor costs to additionally contribute to achieving financial goals of the company. Thank you for your time and kindly invited to our digital stand for solutions in resistance welding technology.